Hi, welcome to my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Every state has some form of financial responsibility law, meaning you can pay if you or someone else driving your car causes a crash. Most drivers satisfy this requirement by purchasing car insurance. It is usually the easiest and most affordable option. If you don't want to buy liability car insurance, your state might require you to post a bond to show financial responsibilities. The cost of a bond can run upwards of $50,000 depending on your state. Drivers in New Hampshire are not required to buy car insurance in many cases, but you must be able to demonstrate financial responsibility if you cause a car accident. Other instances where you will be required to buy a car insurance is in New Hampshire are you're found at fault for an accident where you didn't have insurance and are now required to file proof of insurance. You were convicted of driving while intoxicated or DWI and must file proof of insurance for a minimum of 3 years. You are decertified as a habitual offender but must show proof or insurance before you can get your license back. You must appear at an administrative hearing for certain offenses like demerit points and are required to purchase insurance as a condition of retaining or getting back your license. Even without an insurance requirement, buying auto insurance is a smart way to protect yourself from accident costs. If you decide to buy a policy, you need to purchase at least $25.50 in liability car insurance in New Hampshire. Drivers in Virginia can pay a $500 uninsured motor vehicle fee to skip car insurance, but if you cause an accident, you will still be personally liable for injuries and property damage, meaning you could be stuck paying for injuries and property damage. If you decide to buy car insurance in Virginia, you will need to buy a minimum of $25.50 in liability car insurance. A general rule of thumb is to buy enough liability insurance to cover what you could lose in a lawsuit, based on your assets. To get an example amount of liability insurance, consider buying an umbrella insurance policy. Umbrella insurance provides excess liability coverage of $1 million and up. When your liability car insurance is exhausted, umbrella insurance kicks in. So how much liability insurance you need depends on where you live and what you have to lose. Here's what to consider when buying liability insurance for your car. Most states require a minimum amount of liability car insurance, but the state minimum may be inadequate for your specific needs. One thing that should influence your liability coverage is how much you could lose in a lawsuit. For example, if you own a home and savings, you will likely want to buy liability insurance that is well above your state's minimum requirement. If you do not have enough car liability insurance, your assets could be at risk if you cause a car accident that results in substantial damage or injuries. Liability insurance is a vital part of your auto insurance coverage. It is not a good place to skimp. A better strategy for saving money to look elsewhere for ways to save on your policy. For instance, you can ask the insurance company how much you would save by increasing your deductible on collision and comprehensive insurance. The insurance deductible is the amount that is deducted from your insurance claims check if you make a collision or comprehensive claim. The higher your deductible, the less you will pay in premiums. But make sure you can cover a higher deductible amount if you need to make a claim. You could also ask your insurance agent about car insurance discounts. You might qualify for discounts that you are currently not getting. Another good discount is a multi-policy discount. That is when you bundle your auto and home insurance policies. It is typically one of the best discounts you can get. If your car isn't worth much, you might want to skip buying collision and comprehensive car insurance. These are two separate coverages types that are often sold together. Collision covers your vehicle damage if it is damaged in a crash with another car or object like a fence. Comprehensive covers your vehicle for problems like fire, flood, hail, vandalism, falling object, collisions with animals, and car theft. You will most likely be required to have both collision and comprehensive insurance if you have a car loan or lease. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.